Now I want you to listen to this exhaust. It sounds incredible. 3, 2, 1. So much speed.
We ready.
Alright, so as you all know, I put on the AWE C8 Z06 exhaust on my car. My C8 Z06 right there. It sounds good. It sounds really, really amazing, but it's so hard to figure out, okay, how can I get to a place where I can actually test it out so you can see the full range, first, second, third, fourth, maybe in fifth gear, who knows, we'll find out, maybe sixth. But how can I just go accelerate so you can truly hear the full range of this exhaust? It's hard. You can't do it on the street. Obviously, that's illegal to go that fast. Hey, you can come to the airstrip and you can try it out there. And I just so happen to be at an airstrip filming something with another organization, and I can't tell you exactly what we're filming. Anyways, I got my C8 Z right here and I want to test it out. I want to hear what this thing sounds like going wide open throttle on a somewhat of a street surface, but it's an airstrip, right? But very similar. You're going to hear this exhaust rip from launch control all the way through the gears, everything. It's going to sound amazing. I'm looking forward to it. First up, you're going to hear the startup. So let's start this baby up real quick. So I'm gonna get set up right now so that I can do a little bit of an exhaust test real quick so you can hear this exhaust, because it sounds oh so good, really good. Absolutely love it. It's amazing. We're gonna do a little bit of a launch control. Just send it a few times so you can hear it. Alrighty, we're gonna do a little launch control and go so you can hear the sound of this amazing exhaust. Got my launch control stuff set up. I'm in drive, sport mode, all that stuff. Everything's ready to go. Now I want you to listen to this exhaust. All right. Oh yeah. You heard the downshifts, you heard the acceleration, you heard everything. It sounds incredible. Oh my gosh. My helmet's decided to do funky things. That is nuts. Let's do a little quick acceleration. Just kind of like driving a downshift. This is normal acceleration. Sound. Man, AWE did a really, really good job tuning the exhaust note for the C8 Z06. I don't even have to explain it to you on how amazing this sounds right here. It sounds good. It sounds really good. I'm just letting you hear it, right? I could talk through all the different specs, all the stuff. You can read that on the website, right? You can read all that stuff. It's not about reading the specs and knowing all that. Right now, what it's about is what are those smiles that the exhaust is giving you, and you just heard it right there. Full, wide open acceleration with the car. You got to hear all the gears, launch control, 4,500 RPM, ripping on a surface that was unprepped, right? So I'm skating a little bit, but you know what? It's working. It sounds good. The car definitely has, you can feel the torque. You can feel the extra torque that the exhaust added with all the extra power of the torque. You put it together. I can feel it. I can actually feel it with the car. I can feel the difference. I can hear the sound note change, right? It's not a major shift, but it's a good enough shift that it's worth the money to get this exhaust. And I'm so pumped that I have it now on my C8 Z06. By the way, it's on my website. If you go to www.jesseIwujiperformance.com, you can get it yourself as well. And shoot, why don't I get another run in? I mean, shoot, why not? I'm here on an airstrip. You want to hear it? All right, you don't got to convince me. Let's get another run in real quick. Stand by. 3, 2, 1. It's so
wants to just take off. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I feel like a 12-year-old, like just all the happiness in the world with this thing. Oh my gosh. The power just keeps surging and surging and surging, just giving you everything you want. The car continues to give it to you over and over and over. And then you got this exhaust, this AWE C8 Z06 exhaust on the car. It just continues to give you that joy throughout the RPM ranges. It never falls off. It never gets boring. It never gets dull. It just keeps on going. I love it. This is one of the best mods I've ever done. This is epic. Absolutely epic. Woo! That's exhilarating right there. I love it. There you go, folks. 2 very hard pulls, wide open, full quarter-mile-ish and more. That was awesome. Thank you so much for tuning in. That was great. That is your quick review and sound check. Wide open throttle from launch control all the way through fourth. Your C8 Z06 AWE catback exhaust system for this car. If you can't tell how happy I am, then I don't know what else to do, but that is epic. Head to my website, get yours now, www.jesseWujiPerformance.com. It's yours. Just go order it. We'll get you your set, and you'll be extremely happy, just like me.